Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create 30 pieces of content with ChatGPT and Canva. Now, I know if you are a social media manager like I am, there will be some pieces of content that have similar designs and that have like same kind of content. So what you can do is I'm going to show you how you can do that within a few minutes with the help of ChatGPT's tool and also Canva's bulk create option. So let's get into the dashboard.
Hey everyone, I'm a freelancer, social media manager, and I teach you how to make money online. Why? Well, just like you, I wanted to live a life of freedom, spend time with family, and travel more. And here I am today to teach you everything that will help you achieve your desires.
So here you can see I have three things open. I have Canva open, I have ChatGPT open, and I have one Google Sheets file open. Now, if you do not want to use Google Sheets, you can even use Microsoft Excel. So for this, I'm using Google Sheets because it's easier. So once you get onto the ChatGPT dashboard, it will look something like this. I have switched on the dark mode. Yours can look something like this as well. So I just prefer having the dark mode. So let's go with that. And so here what I'm going to write is I'm going to write 10 random quotes. So what this will do is this will generate 10 random quotes for me. And now this can be like pertaining to your niche as well. So for example, if you are in the branding niche, you can write, tell me 10 random quotes about branding. Or if you want 10 quotes from like a specific person. So for example, here the first quote is from Albert Einstein. And if you want all the 10 quotes from Albert Einstein, it will do that for you as well. So you have to be very clear in your prompt that you're writing in ChatGPT. So make sure that your prompt is super clear. So here you can see there are 10 random quotes that have been generated. Now what you're going to do is you're going to copy all these 10 and you're going to paste it in your Google Sheet. Now I have already done this for you because this is going to take some time. So what I have done is always remember the first column, sorry, the first line will be quotes and the names of the people who have written the quotes in the second column. Now, if you don't want the names, it's fine, but I have shown here the names because I want to show you how advanced the Canva feature is and how it will actually, take the name in the names place and the quote in the quotes text. So I'll be showing you in 2 minutes how this can be done. Now, once you have done this, make sure you have deleted all the other columns also which were here. So for example, um, if I have insert column at the right, there's this column over here. So you can right click and just delete any additional columns. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this file. So click on file, download as CSV. So once I download this file on my PC, let's download it on the desktop. So Canva sample code. So once I've downloaded this file, I'm going to go over my Canva account and here, okay, let's close all the additional ones. So we can start from scratch. So here I'm going to type code. So basically now Canva will show me a bunch of templates, pre-made templates that are already there in Canva. So for example, which one should I pick? I think I like this one and it's quite simple for showing you the demonstration. So let's pick this one. So now what you have to do is you have to go down and you can see this bulk create option, right? So once you click on this, suppose if you don't see this option, if suppose this option is not here. So you click on apps, you go into more from Canva and you can see here, there's a bulk create option. Click on that. Now here you need to see there are two important options that you need to keep in mind. One is enter data manually. So basically what you do is click on enter data manually and see that you can add one, you can copy one quote and then paste it over here. Or what you can do is you can take a CSV file that we just did in Google Sheets and directly upload it over here. So basically I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to do, oh, oopsies. So I'm going to upload that file over here. So here is our file that we created, and here you can see it has already detected the first column. I'm sorry, the first row. So quotes and names are already detected. Now what you have to do is you have to connect that. Now I have to connect that column with the text over here. So you click here and you right click over here and then you connect data. Now here you want the quotes column. So you can see all the codes will be pasted over here. And here I want the name. So basically I'll click connect data and click on names. And here the name will be pasted. You can change the design if you want, or you can change the design later if you want. So click on continue. Now it's already been connected and you can see all the 10 codes have been loaded, which is amazing. Now I'll only have to click on generate 10 pages and you will see the magic it will do for you. It'll create all 10 codes for you within like a minute, even not a minute, less than a minute. So here you can see all the 10 codes have been pasted over here. Now, one thing you have to note is that it won't be properly text aligned. Sometimes it will be, sometimes it won't. So you will have to do like a little bit of adjustment over here. And if you want to put this, place this on top of here. So that adjustment you'll have to do for all the pages. If you can even be more accurate while creating it and add in more text before you generate all the 10 pages so that it has more space to take up your code. But this is a pretty much easier process. You don't have to copy paste each of the code and the name. So I feel like it's a game changer for people like social media managers and who doesn't have the time to create a lot of content. So I feel like this is like a game changer for them. So I hope you like this video. And if you want more such videos, do let me know in the comments below so I can create like a bunch of cool stuff in Canva for you guys. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit the like button and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.